Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Today we will make a painting on this shawl. We will make with stencil this painting. It is very easy way. We will make on this with stencil. So let's start. Good evening, Silpi. Good evening. Are you ready for make? Okay, let's start. We will make with stencil, so we must take paper and catch it. Okay, now we will take a chart paper like this. Okay, then we will fold this for so its center, and now we will make geometrical design on this, because today we make with stencil. It is very easy technique. We will make like this. Is it visible? Hello, Muskan. And we will make like this so many things. It is geometrical design, and then we will sketch here. Like this, and we will also sketch on this side like this. Is it visible? Okay. Then we will make circle here. We make same this type of things, whole side, here, here, here. Then we make round shape here. Now we will sketch here like this. We make same thing. Now we will cut it design. We will cut like this. We only place on this, then we will cut with scissors. It is very easy technique for make shawl patta. It is a geometrical design. We we cut with this blade, then we use scissors. Now we will cut here, here, and here, and here also. Then we will cut with scissors. And then we will sketch on the center of this circle like this. We make it same like thing. Okay, now we will make this design on the center of this circle. Then we will cut this. We cut with this scissor. We cut like this same on whole side and make same thing. Firstly we cut with this blade, be careful. Then we will use scissors in this. You can easily get from market stencil design also. This type of things you can get directly ready-made, you can buy this. But if you want to make a design with yourself, you can make on this paper just like this. It is complete now. Now it is border of this cloth we will make on this. I made this same thing. We will apply color with this. Then it is bordered. Now I am going to make for its whole design on this chart paper. We will make flower on this. Just like this, and then We will make so many flowers on this. Just like this. We will make only this side and then we will cut it. Then we can print on this side. These things we can sketch on this side with print. Now we'll cut on this. Firstly we apply blade, then we cut with these scissors, thin scissors. Like this. We will make like this. I make some time ago. This is because it can take cover so many times. That's why I done this already for you. I made so many flowers, then leaf and a half side. Then we sketch on this. Okay, now I'm going to paint this all. Okay, we can paint this also, dupatta and scarf also, and you can apply this technique on tablecloth, bedsheet also. So let's start for painting this. For paint this, it is cream colors all. That's why I use all color on this: pink, red, yellow, blue, all color. First of all, we apply its border. We will make its border firstly. Okay, now I'm going to take black paint. We apply color with this sponge. You can easily buy from market. Firstly, we press on this mixing plate. Then after, we will make on this. Almost all color best for cream color. I will use all color on this and other side, but I am making border with black because black is opposite of cream and white. We will apply color like this. Firstly we press on mixing plate, then we press on this, otherwise it will. It is a stencil medium, and you can also download this design from net, and you can um, take this print on paper, then you cut this design. So many design available on net, stencil design, and you can cut this piece. We don't take water on this. If you apply water, it will mix on whole cloth. Now uh, we can give its final touch with brush. I will give this again. Okay, now we will clean this table. Then I'm going to make whole side with this design. I think it is most important for to do this. Then after we will make this, because it is important to take this place, border place. Now I'm going to take black paint again. This fabric paint, it will never leave this color on cloth. You always apply fabric and acrylic paint on cloth. Wait just 2 minutes, I am doing this fastly. Then we will make on whole solid. You can make this design on tablecloth, bed sheet in very easy way. It is called a stencil design, and you get so many design from net. And Okay, now we will give its finishing with brush. Now we will take color in back side. Okay, now we must clean this table. Then uh, we will apply pink, yellow, red, green, blue, so many colors as our choice. Firstly, we apply pink paint on this. We will make this multicolored. So let's start this. Now we will take from. It is fabric paint, fabrical acrylic color. It is for cloth, especially for cloth. All flower we make with pink. This type of flower, and it is different, so I'm making it this other color. So now we'll apply blue paint. If we mix blue paint on this paint, it will be a violet color. Now uh, we apply blue paint directly. On this flower. We can apply anywhere as our choice. We will apply green paint on this type of leaves and it's the stem. Okay, now I am going to change this sponge. Now I am going to cut this sponge and we will apply yellow. This yellow. Firstly we press on this, then we will make this flower. Now we will use green paint on this leaf and it's the stem. It is fabric paint. We can apply fabric and acrylic, same thing. We can press on yellow this paint. It is flower. So, is it visible? It is. So I am using red paint on this. We can apply from this side. We will not wash this. We don't take water on this. It is very risky for us. Uh, okay, now I hope you understand now. We will make some time ago. Now I'm going to place this with we will make this finishing with brush and so many things I not make on this. Now I'm applying directly paint on this like this. we make this design whole cloth. You can easily get from so many design stencil design from net, and you can print this and then you cut this design and uh, make on tablecloth, bed sheet, shawl, dupatta, suit, as your choice. You can make anything and submit. You can send me a picture of your painting, then we will provide your training certificate from Fabrical Hobby Ideas. If you make we have 2 weeks, you will make. We will sketch on this side with a scale, and we will make design in this also, like this. So many work is I'm completing this area, then we will make a whole side. Evening I will send bigger one. We can make it in very easy way. In just 1 hour, when we have keep this, it will be completely fantastic. After washing this brush, and now I'm going to complete this border design. We will use light pink. Light pink is very suitable for black paint. uh, don't take water. I just wash my water, then you can see this result. If you have not available this sponge, uh, you can apply cotton, but it easily you get from market. You can say bathing sponge also from any cosmetic dukan. So we will use red paint center on this. Mostly we make opposite color, but it is cream color, then we can apply any color on this. Cream, white and light pink. Now we will sketch on this side like this, and then we apply light pink color on this. It gives a finishing look. I hope you understand now. So I will send this pic in evening after completing. Now I am completing this area, then after sketching we will sketch on this. Okay, now we will sketch on this side also. Again, I will repeat again. It is a chart paper. I sketch on this, then we will cut this, then we apply on this and press the color with a sponge, and it is border. I made it with it is geometrical design. I will save this video. You can see again this video. So many work we will do in evening. We can make so many things, some small leaf in this, and just I will show you. See, it is plant, then we make its stem like this. And we can make so many small leaf on this. It will be look beautiful like this. As your choice, you can make so many leaf on this, and you can give some small flower also, as your choice. It is very big shawl. That's why I will make in evening and send pic on this page. Okay. Now, I hope you understand now. Hello, Muskan, Salu. How is this? We will make in evening whole design, whole cloth. If you want to ask any question, ask me. Okay, we will meet again. Today our live session is finished. Goodbye. If you make this painting and send pic to me, we will provide you training certificate from Fabrical Hobby Ideas. Okay, goodbye. See you again. Thank you. Bye.